gentlemen, are you ready?
Hi, my name is Maddy. I am the Entrepreneurship teacher. I was the organizer for this group's project, but really I just let them make all their own decisions and take the lead.
I'm Atticus, and I did a lot of the advertising.
Hi, I'm Bailey, and I helped run the raffle, and I wrote the one-pager.
Hello, I'm Christian. I helped run the raffle, get sponsorships and gift cards, and helped edit the video.
Was good. I'm James. I helped edit the video, run the raffle table, and I donated some prizes.
We chose anti-bullying because it's a huge issue in America. In fact, 1 in 5 students in high school think about committing suicide due to bullying, according to NIH.
So, to raise money for anti-bullying and NAPAB, National Association of People Against Bullying, we chose to do a raffle where tickets were $5 for one or $8 for two. All proceeds went to NAPAB. First prize was an Apple Watch. Second through 11th prize was all gift cards. We made $430 from that. And then the other half of our raising money was a sponsorship from a local restaurant called Lazy Dog. It went well. We had a lot of buyers there, and we made $335 from that. Our goal was $1,000, and if you can do simple math, we made $765 in total. Not quite reaching our goal, but that's still a pretty large sum of money. All the winners for the raffle were very happy, and we hope you have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.